Carrot Day. I love Carrot Day.
We love Carrot Day.
We love Carrot Day.
We're at Kalfresh Carrot Day 2026. It's about the 14th year that we've been doing this. We basically give a behind-the-scenes tour of what it takes to grow a carrot, wash a carrot, harvest a carrot, pack it and get it into a shop and into your fridge.
Carrot Day was an initiative of the Scenic Rim Council, and they started Eat Local Week, and they sort of said to us, look, would you put on a day for us? We didn't think much of it. Anyway, it was the Saturday morning and Richard rang me and he said, I think you better come down here because there's people arriving, and I think about 50 people fronted up, and we gave them like a really rudimentary tour of everything and dragged the tractor over here and cooked them a sausage.
We took them into the paddock and they picked carrots, and you could just see the pure joy, you know, for both parents and children of that experience. And I sort of started thinking, well, maybe, you know, we're not the only ones that are going to kind of enjoy this. It was really important from a farming point of view to start telling our own story about, you know, how we do what we do, why we do it in a certain way. So yeah, first year, very small, very sort of organic, and then it's just grown from there.
Every single area of the business comes together to make this day possible, from farming to production to the accounts team, all the girls up in the office, sales, everybody.
There's a lot of organisation and logistics to safely bring 1,200 people through a working factory to a working farm. Every grower and staff member that's here today is volunteering their time.
Yeah, it's a big effort by all the team and they do a phenomenal job every year.
Your highlight of Carrot Day so far?
I did enjoy the factory tour.
Yes, the factory tour, good. Yeah. Carrot cake.
Who doesn't like a good carrot cake?
It's become very famous. There's a lot of people that come here. It's like when a headline act comes to town. People are sitting at their computers waiting for the tickets to come on sale because they know they're going to miss out.
The actual process of what it takes to grow from a seed into a vegetable and then take it through the harvesting process and then through the pack shed to then be on their plate. I think a lot of people just don't realise how many different moving parts there are in that process. Why would you not want to be involved in something like that?
Today we're picking carrots by hand and everyone's grabbing a carrot, putting it in a bag, taking it home nice and fresh with a bit of dirt, which is always healthy. Yeah, it's just a good day to come out with your family, and all the kids are having a blast, having fun, trying to find the craziest carrot to look for the prizes.
I don't know, what's our favourite part? Picking the carrots?
Picking the window.
Picking the
pollen.
Yep.
We've just always been farmers, always grown carrots. It's just every day for us, but for people who come out from Brisbane, it's just, it opens their eyes into what happens.
But when I start up a machine here, I see the excitement and you know, kids laughing and getting all freaked out about a machine starting. So seeing those little things that we take for granted actually put in perspective that it is quite unique what we get to do every day. So yeah.
Look, I think it's just the pure joy on the faces of children, families, the muddy kids getting in their car back to the city with a bootload of muddy carrots. Just, you know, makes us continue to do it year after year.
Me, love Carrot Day.
Perfect. Thank you so much.